It's time for game previews presented by Husky Tools, exclusively at the Home Depot.
DJ Bucky here, and Buck, one of the games looking forward to this weekend is going to take place in Mexico City. You're going to see the Houston Texans take on the Oakland Raiders, and you look at this matchup inside the game, I think the Oakland offense and the way they've been rolling, I think that's a key storyline to keep an eye on.
Yeah, I think you have to look at that, one of the more explosive offenses in the league. When you look at the board, you see passing offense, there's 6. Pass protection doing a great job protecting Derek Carr. And Derek Carr is playing like an MVP candidate. This is an offense that is dangerous and scary to stop.
Well, you talk about Derek Carr playing like an MVP candidate. I give a lot of credit to these guys on the outside, and Cooper and Crabtree, and what they're bringing this team. You've got somebody in Amari Cooper that can go down the field, can make plays after the catch, and then you get down into the red zone area. Crabtree's about as tough a cover as we have in the NFL. So he's got those 2 guys, key guys on the outside. He's delivering them the football. It's opening everything up else for their offense.
Yeah, they're getting great contributions from their offense, and that defense is beginning to settle in. Khalil Mack has 6 sacks in the last 4 games. They're beginning to kind of get it going. And the thing is, they're playing a Houston Texans offense that is struggling with Brock Osweiler. Brock Osweiler has been a huge disappointment for there you see on the bottom line. The fact that they're able to win a game when your quarterback throws for under 100 yards says a lot about the rest of the team. At some point, Brock Osweiler is going to have to step up and be the franchise quarterback they expect him to be, but I don't think it happens this week. That's why I'm going with the Oakland Raiders.
Yeah, I'm with you on this one. The Oakland Raiders win this football game, and I think their defense, led by Khalil Mack and company, they generate some turnovers, and that's the difference. Can't wait to see the Mexico City. It's going to be a great atmosphere for this football game. Look forward to watching it.